Hello, I'm Lieutenant Skaz from Irwin Army Community Hospital Physical Therapy. Today we're going to be talking about a few tips and tricks that you can help to reduce and mitigate low back pain. A lot of times in the military we're rucking a lot, we're running a lot, and we're just on our feet, which can increase low back pain. One of the big things that we want to focus on, or one of the big things that you can do for yourself, is to keep moving if you have an acute or short-term flare in low back pain. We actually find that if you put yourself on bed rest or stop moving the day of an injury, you can actually increase your back pain and increase your recovery time to get back to normal. We're going to go over some stretches that can help you reduce your low back pain. The first thing that I'm going to have Susan here do is do a gentle cat-camel stretch. So we talked previously about how it's really important to maintain movement and stay active and do your normal daily activities when you have back pain. If sometimes that's a little bit too irritating or a little bit too aggravating, this is a safe way to help move everything in your low back without increasing your pain. So what I'm going to have you do, Susan, is curl up through your back. Good. So she's curling up through her upper back as well as her low back and focusing on bringing her hips forward towards her elbows. She's going to hold this for a little bit and then she's going to relax down, all the way down into what we call the camel position. So now she's getting a full extension of her back. Do a couple reps like that for me, up and down, and then she's also going to coordinate her breathing with this movement.
Heel raises.
Perfect.
Hops forward, back, side to side.
So now we're going to have Susan do a gentle stretch by bringing one of her knees to her chest. So go ahead and grab that knee. If you can, straighten out your other knee. If that's too aggravating for your back, you can leave it bent. Also, if this movement is a little bit pinchy in the front of your hip, what you can do is you can move your knee out to the side just a little bit, and that should relieve some of that pinch. When you're doing this stretch, make sure you hold it for at least 30 seconds because we get the best benefit right there. We're going to do what we call the prayer stretch. You may have seen this done in a yoga class. It's also really great for stretching out the structures in your low back. To start this exercise, you're going to start by sitting on your heels. You're then going to put your hands directly in front of you. Leaving your hips close to your heels, you're going to walk your hands forward on the table or on the ground until you feel a gentle pull throughout your back. You don't want to push it too hard where you're getting pain, but just a gentle stretching feeling through here is what we want to get towards. Now if you're having pain on one side versus the other, one thing you can do is walk your hands towards the right or the left to try to get a stretch through those muscles where you're feeling that pain. You just saw a few stretches that can help reduce low back pain. There are many things that we can do to help you reduce that low back pain long term. Here at Irwin Army Community Hospital, we have a staff of trained physical therapists who can provide an examination, an assessment, and then develop a treatment plan that's individualized to your low back pain and your needs. Here at the hospital, we not only see active duty members, but we also see their family members. If you're interested in making an appointment, you can call the appointment line at 785-239-DOCS.